All right, how y'all doing? Hope y'all doing great. Hope you're doing great. Hope you're doing wonderful. Hope you're ready to watch this video. Hopefully, I won't make it long so that you don't have to make a long, well, watch a long video. But you are the one that continues to struggle with the stuff that I've already taught. So therefore, if it's long, oh well. All right, so we have two type of variables on both sides. We have a variable when we have a variable and a number is equal to just a variable sitting over here by itself. This is what I call the lonely problem. And so with the lonely problem, I always say whatever variable is lonely because there's not a number being added or subtracted that we can see other than zero. It is saying to the other variable on this side, hey, I'm lonely. Come join me. And the only way that 2x can come over here and join, come on, work with me. There we go. 2x can come over here and join 8x is by subtracting 2x from both sides. We've seen this over and over in my class. So, yeah, 6 is now equal to 6x. And now how do we solve this one-step equation? We simply divide both sides by 6. And you know me, I like the variable on the left. So we say x is equal to 1. We're done. All right, so this is the lonely problem. Why is it lonely? Because 8x does not have a number other than 0 being added or subtracted to it. All right, so now we get to the section where most of the students have the most trouble. So we're no longer lonely. X is not lonely because it has a negative 6, so we're subtracting 6 from both sides. Well, not both sides, just from that side. And then 8x is no longer lonely. Y'all see 8x was lonely here. No longer lonely. There is a adding 1. We're adding 1. So this is where we can dance. You're not dancing here because 8x is lonely, but when there's partners, when you have a partner on both sides, you can now dance. How do we dance, people? Well, here we go. Slide to the left, slide to the right. Crisscross, crisscross. Okay, so that was your cue. So what do we slide to the left? We slide the variable by doing what? Subtracting 8x from both sides. Oh, I pray y'all get this. What do we slide to the right? The number. How do we slide it to the right? By adding. Always do the opposite. Crisscross. What do we crisscross? Well, I think it will be the 6's because they cancel. And then the 8's, 8x's, because they cancel. And now what do we have? We have 1x minus 8x is negative 7x. Y'all have seen this example I don't know how many times. And then 1 plus 6 is 7. And then we divide by negative 7, divide by negative 7. X is equal to negative 1. So again, we do what again? Let's try this again. Let me get the video ready for you all. Slide to the left. Huh? Slide to the right. What? Crisscross. What do you say? All right, so hopefully y'all get that. If not, I don't know what to tell your life. It's already 3 minutes in. You know, I was going to be mean and put a whole bunch of problems for y'all to do, but I said I'm going to be nice, and I'm not going to give y'all a whole bunch of problems, but hopefully you'll know what to do. Either you're lonely or you're not, people. This is the lonely problem, because notice that 3x is over here by itself. That looks a mess. Oh, well. 3x is over here by itself, okay? So what is 3x saying? Hey, I'm lonely. 2x, come join me. How do you join me? You subtract 2x from both sides. You look at there. You're gone. You cancel out. 5 is equal to x because 3 minus 2 is 1. 1x and x are the same thing. We're done. We can check this problem. Yes, I want you to write down the check so you just know what to do. Make Miss Delaware happy. Happy. 2 times 5 plus 5 is equal to 3 times 5. Right? 2 times 5 is 10. 10 plus 5 is 15. 3 times 5 is 15. 15 is equal to 15. It works out. I know I'm right because the check works out. All right, so this problem, can we dance? Do you have a partner 2x? Yep. Do you have a partner 3x? Yes. So we can dance. 4 minutes in. All right, so we slide to the left. Slide to the right. Crisscross. 5's 3x. 2x minus 3x is negative 1x. Negative 8 minus 5 is negative 13. Divide both by negative 1. X is equal to 13. Okay, over here, our flow chart says if we see the parentheses, we need to distribute. So we're going to distribute here, water the flowers, however you call it. 2x plus 4 is equal to 3x plus 12. Can we dance? Do you have a partner 2x? I sure do. Do you have a partner 3x? I sure do. Can I dance? Yes, I can. Slide to the left. Slide to the right. Crisscross. I mean, I don't think it gets any better than that. 2x minus 3x is negative 1x. I always tell you how to put a negative 1 if it's there. And then divide by negative 1. I didn't do that on purpose, but x is equal to negative 8. All right. So on this problem, most complicated they're going to be. On this side, do I see any parentheses? No. But can I combine like terms? If I see 3 terms, that's my hint that yes, I can combine like terms. Combine the 10x and the negative 7x, and we get 3x. Bring down the negative 5 is equal to, what do I need to do over here? I need to distribute, but notice the distributive says I have the negative 48 here, and then a negative 40x here. All right, so they're not aligned up the same way, but I'm going to show you. What do you slide to the left? The variable. So what I'm going to do is add 40x underneath the x's, everybody. What am I sliding to the right? The number. Add 5. Add 5. What do I crisscross? What cancels out? Goodbye. Goodbye. 3x plus 40x is 43x. And then negative 48 plus 5 is negative 43. Divide by 43, divide by 43, x is equal to negative 1. You know what? I'm happy. After 6 minutes of teaching you all what I've already taught you before,
Cha-cha, real smooth.
I can cha-cha.
Let's go to work.
I think that's a great place to start. Let's go to work. Bye.